and she's a big fan of stickers. And I think, yeah, there's stickers in there. Hi, I'm Christina and I'm an editorial stylist for Zulily. As a stylist, I work with a photographer and every day we work with different products that are going to be on the site and we make sure they look pretty for you to buy. When I'm shopping on Zulily, I like to look for things for my daughter. She's 4 years old, so there's a lot of things to shop for, clothes, books, toys, and when I'm shopping for myself, I've found some good bargains on perfumes and some cute jackets. For today's unboxing, I got a few things for my daughter just in time for her birthday this weekend, and I got myself a little something as well, so let's check it out. So my daughter and I just watched Frozen 2. We're big fans, so I got her for her birthday Frozen 2 book because we have story nights every night. And I got her this really cute t-shirt. I like books with lots of illustration because she likes to be more in charge of reading. And I feel like these pictures like really tell the story. She's a big fan of stickers. I like that it looks almost like hand painted rather than just like the typical Disney t-shirt. And I love the color, it's really cute. Another thing I got her, so this is my favorite toddler brand. It's called T Collection and they're based out of San Francisco. They have great clothing. I got this for a really great price. And I love the print, great fabric. I can wash it 100 times and it's gonna be the same color. So the last thing that I got was something for myself. I don't own any Uggs, but I saw these on the site and I really love these slippers. I'm always running around the house, cleaning and stuff, and I just wanna be cozy, and I really like these. They're really comfortable. I like the grip on the back too, so I'm excited to rock these. This is a tough call. I really like all of the things that I bought today, but I have to say this is my favorite thing. I think my daughter's gonna look so cute in this, and it's such a unique dress. She can wear it with tights in the wintertime, and then she can wear it with sandals in the summer, so I'm excited to see her wear it. Thanks so much for joining me on my unboxing. Let us know what you recently bought on Zulily in the comments below. Ciao!